Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Danielle-ish. If you've never been here before, it's nice to meet you. So I wasn't gonna film this, but I figured it could get interesting. As you can tell, obviously I do have some color at the ends where my blonde was in my ombre. I was actually using just a color conditioner, so it was a color depositing conditioner. This is what this looks like. The brand is Cara Color. I figured with everything going on right now and me currently kind of being in sort of a hiatus, I decided that I would do something that's actually a little bit outside of my comfort zone, which probably surprises some people, but I've never done a full head. I've never done a full head of bright, vibrant, crazy colors. And I'm really loving green lately. I've always loved the color emerald. Today, I'm gonna try the Phantom Green from Arctic Fox for the very first time. Arctic Fox is a vegan hair dye. Supposedly it has no peroxides, no ammonia, so it's supposed to be a little bit better for your hair. It doesn't really say to mix with any developer or anything, but I'm probably gonna, I might mix it with like a little bit of conditioner, but we'll see like how dark this actually is. My brushes, I ordered these off Amazon recently. I've colored my hair myself in the past, so I'm very familiar with the process, but I found these brushes on Amazon that are so cute, and they're called Power Painter. They are hair paint brushes. You're probably like, wow, that's every other hair applicator brush ever. No, these are cool. These actually look like little paintbrushes. I am just gonna try these out today. I think I'm gonna use the black one. I just need to get a bowl. I'll pour it in here and brush out my hair, and yeah, we're just gonna go for this. This is what my hair looks like right now. I did have blonde highlights in there, so that's why this is lighter. It has kind of like a yellowish green tint to it right now just from this hair color, but my dark brown isn't super dark. It's actually kind of like more of a chestnut color, so it'll be interesting to see what the green does on top of all of this. I am just kind of gonna take a chance and we'll go from there, I guess. I'm gonna go get some of this into a bowl and we're gonna start. Sectioned off my hair. I'm gonna do my top two sections here, and then I'll move on to my back two and then the bottom back. One thing I've heard about Arctic Fox dyes is A, they're super pigmented, but B, they smell really good, and you don't really find that with dyes. I can attest to this. It smells like grapes, like grape bubble gum or something. I don't know. It smells really good. And this is what this looks like in the bowl. I am gonna put just a little bit of conditioner in there. I'm gonna get this mixed up and ready to go. This is definitely green. Hopefully one bottle is gonna be enough for my head, because low-key I don't have any more. I'm gonna put some gloves on and here we go. I'm all nice and green. It just took me literally forever, and I don't even know if I covered it all, so we will see. I'm just going to let this sit. I'm gonna get all this off my face and I will rinse it out, and then I will pick right back up tomorrow so you guys can see it in the daylight. It's 9:00 p.m. right now, so just gonna be better if I show you tomorrow. So you'll see it in like 2 seconds. But yeah, for now, I'm gonna let it sit and then I'm gonna shower, and then drum roll. Hi guys, so this is my finished look. So basically last night, I kept the dye in my hair for probably 2 hours is what I'm guessing. Essentially, you can leave it on as long as you want to. So at that point, it was like 11:30 at night, so it was time to take a shower. I did not have a plastic bag or a shower cap or anything to put over my hair. If I had something like that, I probably would have slept in the dye, but nonetheless, I think it did a really great job. Obviously, I'm wearing a hat, but we'll go ahead and remove that for you. I'm gonna kind of give you guys a up close and personal, turn my brightness up a little bit, just so you can see exactly how my hair reacted. So I'll show you. So there are some brighter strands, and then the bottom is obviously like a turquoise blue. I will say that my hair reacted pretty much as I expected. I definitely wish I could have had a more pigmented dark green throughout my hair, but obviously I had kind of like a chestnut brown color. Previous highlights before this, so those were blonde at the time, and the bottom of my hair was already like a bluish green. When I added the dye on top, I picked up the blonde in my highlights up top, which made them super bright green, and then it basically made the bottom of my hair a dark turquoise. So I do have a lot of random green colors in my hair right now. Like I said, overall, I think it's really, really pretty, and I'm excited about this, but I wish I would have had more blonde in my hair before I started this process, so it was a little bit more of an even green. However, I'm extremely excited about how this looks. I think this fits my personality. I feel like it's vibrant, I feel like it's bright, and it's definitely something that I want to redo in the future and try to make this more of a cohesive dye for me. One of the things that I read was obviously to keep your color as long as possible. You rinse out your hair the first time to get the dye out of your hair. Just rinse it out and use conditioner. Don't put any shampoos that might strip your hair. I do have sulfate-free, paraben-free, like everything-free shampoo. That's also good for color, so when I shampoo my hair in the future, that's gonna be what I use. But I also have dry shampoo, and as soon as I straighten my hair today, I put that in there just to start soaking up the oils. And I'm gonna try to go honestly 3, 4, 5 days without washing my hair at a time. I'm just gonna make dry shampoo my best friend. One other thing is I used a little 4-ounce bottle. I didn't know that they had an 8 fluid ounce bottle. I barely had enough to coat my whole head. So if you're gonna be doing your whole head, and I have pretty thin hair, I would highly suggest either getting 2 of those 4 fluid ounce bottles or getting the 8-ounce bottle. I actually just purchased the 8-ounce bottle in Phantom Green, so that will be coming to me just for me to redo this. And you're supposed to put some of that dye in your shampoo and your conditioner to help keep your hair vibrant, but I didn't have enough. I was literally scraping the inside of the bottle to get as much dye out of there as possible, and I wish I would have had more to just saturate my hair more heavily. So that is the one thing that I would definitely give as far as advice goes. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think of it, if you think that this is a good color for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, to comment down below what you think, and subscribe to my Danielle-ish family. I hope to hear from you guys soon, and I will see you in my next video.